Hi, and welcome to another video by Jimthecarguy. Today I'm going to show you a tool that was sent to me by a company called Tacklife. They sent me many other items before, but this is just another one that they sent me. This one is actually it's a 12 volt reciprocating saw, or the way I call it is a sawzall. It cuts just about anything, depending on what blade you're going to use in it. You can cut wood, you can cut plastic, you can cut just about anything with it if you got the right blade in it. This would have come in handy with a project I was working on a couple of weeks ago. I had to cut a pipe out in the ground, ran about 50 feet, and the section of the pipe had to be cut out, and I wound up having to cut it out with a hand hacksaw to do it. This would have come in handy to cut through that pipe while it was still in the ground. It would have been a little bit quicker, but we didn't have it, but we do have it now. So let me open this up, let me show you what it looks like, and then we're going to put it together and we're going to read the directions, and then we're going to test it out and see how it works. All right, so let me bring you in. I'm going to show you how it's packaged. You know what? Stay right there. Let me just do it right here. All right, this is the tool itself. You know what? Let me bring you around and you take a look. Okay. This is the tool that they sent me. Now, obviously, it comes with its battery charger, so we can charge the battery. It comes with the new battery. It also comes with a piece like this that attaches to the saw itself, and this rounded section here will fit over a pipe so that the pipe stays stationary while you're trying to cut it. We're going to put this attachment on, and I'll bring in the garage and show you how it works. Okay, they sent us a blade. This blade here is a very, this is probably for cutting wood because it's a very, you have a lot of teeth on here, a lot of very large teeth. If you're cutting metal, you're going to need a different blade. This will actually work for cutting plastic as well, of course. And then this is the sawzall itself. So just take it out of the bag here. Let's get rid of some of that stuff. And this is the sawzall itself. It's fairly small, it's compact, and it's handheld. It looks like it has obviously a trigger, a safety that you need to press before you can press the trigger, a jaw that you would actually install the bit into, and then this piece here would mount most likely in here someplace. But let's put it together, and then we're going to go in the garage and we're going to test it out and see how it cuts on a piece of piping. So all right, let me read the directions and we'll come right back. Okay, so putting the saw together was fairly simple. All you really have to do is we just, you know what, let me just show you real quick. To put the blade in, you just rotate this jaw, this lock right here, just rotate it, and you pull the blade out like that. And then this piece here just fit in right through a slot right up in the top right there. So that way when you're cutting a branch or a pipe or whatever, as you're cutting it, it pulls up just like that. All right? So you know what, let's put this together. We're going to go outside and we're going to cut something up on this. So, all right, so this is the way you do it, is you take that jaw right there, you rotate it around, you take your blade like this, put it in the front like that, and then you just let go, and it locks it in place. All right, this is our safety right here, so we're just going to push our safety like this, and then it works like that. All right, so let's go outside and let's check it out and see how this thing works. So come on, let's take a walk outside. Okay, now we're going to test it out without this attachment here on it. So we're just going to take this and lift it up out of the way just like this for now, and then we're going to take the attachment off. And now we're going to test it to see how it works on a piece of plastic. Try it again. Okay, so as you can see, the saw's got pretty good power. I didn't charge the battery up yet, but it's got to be fully charged up before it has 100% of its power. But even not fully charged, it's still cut pretty decent. I will tell you this, I like using the saw minus this because it seems to just get in the way. With a regular saw like this, a reciprocating saw or a sawzall or whatever you want to call it, usually you'll lay this piece here up against the job that you're cutting, so that way the pipe or wood or whatever you're cutting doesn't walk all over the place. But for a small little tool, this is pretty neat. I will put a link down below. Check it out on my Amazon store. I'm going to put a link down below to show you that pipe that I did, that this would have come in handy cutting through if I had it with me. I never expected to run into that problem. Luckily, I had a hand saw with me and I was able to cut through it. But I'm going to put the video down below. I'm going to put a link to it. Check it out and see what you think of it. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.